Okay, so this is just a quick video showing and explaining how I go about putting the letters onto foam board installation. So what I do is I first print out in reverse lettering what I want to print. And then I do that 3 times through a LaserJet printer. We have a Brother HL2140. And again, this is just printed reverse of how I want it. And then all I do is get this soaking wet with water and make sure it's placed where I want it. I try to make sure that there are no creases or anything else. This you just want to be as wet as you can get it. I have an iron that is set to the highest setting, which on this iron here is linen, or just above linen. I put a cloth on top of the paper that is all wet, and I make sure that the cloth is nice and wet. And once I'm happy with all that, I just steam what is printed, which heats up the toner from the laser printer. And we should be just about finished. Once you feel that it should be in good shape, you just want to carefully remove your cloth that you were using. And if any part decides to stick, all you really need to do is get it wet a little bit more in that spot and heat it up again. But I'm happy with how this came out as is. Plenty to work with from here. And once you remove the paper, you have what you will be working from or working with. And you don't need to worry about cutting anything out, making stencils, or anything else. So, on that note, go make something.